What if I told you that the video you spent 4 days editing could have been done in 4 hours? Not because you worked faster, because you worked smarter. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you the exact AI tools and workflows that content creators, business owners, and YouTube channels are using right now to cut their editing time by more than half. Let's be honest about something. Creating video content is hard. Not just a little challenging hard, genuinely, painfully, time-consuming hard. Think about everything that goes into a single video. You've got to come up with the idea, write the script, set up your camera, record, probably multiple takes. Then you sit down to edit, and suddenly it's 3 hours later and you've only finished the intro. Then there's color grading, audio cleanup, captions, thumbnail, description, tags, scheduling. And if you're a business owner, you're not even a full-time content creator. You're trying to squeeze all of this into a day that's already packed with meetings, clients, and actual work. The result? You either post inconsistently, killing your growth, or you burn out trying to keep up. Neither option is good. And here's the brutal truth that nobody talks about enough. It's not your fault you're struggling. The process is broken. But here's what I want you to know before we dive in. The game has changed. AI tools have evolved to the point where scripting, editing, voiceovers, captions, repurposing, all of it can be partially or fully automated. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which tools to use, how they fit together into a real production workflow, and how you can start saving 10, 15, honestly, sometimes 20 hours per video. Let's get into it. I'm going to walk you through 7 categories of AI tools that address the biggest time killers in video production. And I'll tell you exactly how each one fits into a real workflow, because that's what matters. Not just knowing the tools, knowing how to use them together. AI scripting tools. Let's start at the very beginning. Before you ever press record, you need a script. And if you've ever stared at a blank document wondering how to start, you know how much time this step alone can eat. Enter AI scripting tools. ChatGPT and Claude are the most versatile. But for YouTube-specific scripting, there are tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and a newer one called vidIQ's AI script generator that are specifically trained on high-performing video content. Here's how I recommend using them. Don't just type, "Write me a script about productivity." That's lazy prompting, and you'll get a lazy script. Instead, give the AI your hook, your target audience, the pain point you're addressing, and the key point you want to hit. Treat it like briefing a junior writer. The difference in output quality is night and day. And here's the thing, this isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about giving you a first draft in 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. You still shape it, you still make it yours. You just skip the blank page paralysis. Inside our production process at Beep 10 Studio, scripting is one of the first bottlenecks we remove for clients. Most business owners come to us with an idea, but no idea how to structure it for retention. We take that raw concept and turn it into a fully retention-optimized script before a single second of footage is ever recorded. That alone saves most people 3 to 5 hours per video. AI voiceover and avatar tools. Okay, this one is wild. If you hate being on camera, or you just don't have time to record, AI voiceover and avatar tools have crossed a threshold that would have seemed impossible 2 years ago. 11 Labs is the gold standard right now for AI voice cloning and text-to-speech. You can clone your own voice with just a few minutes of audio, and the output is so natural that most viewers can't tell the difference. But let's go even further. HeyGen and Synthesia let you create AI video avatars. You record yourself once or use a pre-built avatar, and then you feed it a script. The avatar delivers your video for you. Mouth movements, expressions, natural pacing, all generated by AI. Now, is this right for every channel? No. Personality-driven channels still need the real you. But for explainer videos, corporate content, tutorials, or repurposed content, this is a massive, massive time saver. We've used AI voice tools to help clients who couldn't afford to record every variation of a video, especially for multilingual content. Instead of flying in or hiring voice talent, the AI delivers a clean, consistent result in a fraction of the time and cost. Think about that. One recording session, multiple languages, done. Auto editing with AI. This is where most people's jaws drop. Descript is one of the most powerful tools in the AI video stack right now, and if you haven't used it, you're leaving serious time on the table. Here's what it does. It transcribes your video automatically. Then it lets you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a sentence worth of transcript, that moment is cut from the video. It's that simple. But the real power? Filler word removal. In one click, Descript finds every like, and you know in your entire video and removes them, cleanly, automatically. What used to take a skilled editor 45 minutes to manually clean up, done in about 30 seconds. And if you use Opus Clip or Munch alongside Descript, those tools automatically identify the most engaging moments in your long-form video and turn them into short-form clips for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. One long video becomes 10 pieces of content, automatically. That's not a hack, that's a content strategy. AI captions and subtitles. Did you know that 85% of social media videos are watched without sound? Yeah, that statistic should make every content creator stop and think. Captions aren't optional anymore, they're essential, and doing them manually is one of the biggest time sinks in post-production. That's where Captions.ai, Submagic, and Capwing come in. These tools auto-generate captions directly from your video audio with near-perfect accuracy, and they do it in minutes. Some of them even animate the captions, highlight keywords, and match fonts and colors to your brand. The difference between a video with raw auto captions and one with professionally styled captions is noticeable. Viewers feel it even if they can't articulate why. And here's what I want you to remember about captions specifically. They're not just accessibility features. They increase watch time. They increase shares. They make your content more searchable. This is one of those things that cost almost nothing, time or money, and pays back massively. AI thumbnail creation.
Let's talk about something that determines whether people even click your video in the first place, your thumbnail. Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Canva's AI tools have made it possible to create professional quality thumbnails without a graphic designer. But here's the smarter play. Use thumbnailtest.ai or PickFu to A/B test your thumbnails before you even publish. AI tools can now predict click-through rates based on visual composition, contrast, text size, and facial expression. This is something that most YouTubers skip entirely, and it shows in their click-through rates. We run thumbnail analysis for every client video at Beep 10 Studio. It's a small step that consistently bumps click-through rate by 10 to 20%. And when you're trying to grow a channel, click-through rate is everything.
AI for audio enhancement. Bad audio will kill a good video every time. Viewers will tolerate average visuals. They will not tolerate bad sound. Adobe Podcast's AI Enhance, completely free by the way, is one of the most underrated tools in the entire AI stack. You upload your audio file, their AI removes background noise, room echo, hiss, and inconsistencies in about 60 seconds. The output sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio. There's also Alphonic, Crisp, and Lala.ai, each specialized for different use cases, from podcast cleanup to separating vocals from music. The takeaway here is simple. Your audio has no excuse to sound bad anymore. The tools exist, they're mostly free or very affordable, and they work. AI video generation and B-roll. Okay, this is the category that's moving the fastest right now, and honestly, it's kind of mind-blowing. Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Sora, OpenAI's video generation tool, are allowing creators to generate B-roll footage from text prompts. You type, "a coffee shop in the rain," "cinematic shot," "golden hour lighting," and you get exactly that, video, generated by AI. Now, is it perfect? Not always. But for B-roll, to illustrate a point, support a voiceover, fill a visual gap, it is absolutely good enough, and it's getting better every single month. This eliminates the hours spent searching stock footage libraries, downloading clips, and hoping the licensing is correct. For business content especially, explainers, brand videos, educational content, AI B-roll is a complete game changer. Integrated Authority, the Beep 10 workflow. Now, I want to pull back the curtain for a second, because knowing these tools is one thing. Building them into a system that actually runs smoothly, that's a completely different skill. At Beep 10 Studio, we've spent a long time building and refining a video production workflow that layers these AI tools in the right order at the right stage of production. Here's roughly how it works for our clients. Step 1. The client sends us a topic, a goal, and their target audience. That's it. Step 2. We build a retention-optimized script using AI-assisted research and scripting, then refine it by hand to make it sound human, specific, and on-brand. Step 3. The client records, or for clients who want fully done for you, we handle voiceover with cloned or professional AI voices. Step 4. Our editing team uses a stack of these AI tools, Descript for cleanup, AI color grading, auto captions, to dramatically reduce the manual editing timeline. Step 5. We deliver a polished, publish-ready video with captions, a tested thumbnail, and a short-form cut, usually within 48 to 72 hours. The reason business owners outsource to an agency like ours isn't because they can't learn these tools. Some of them are actually pretty tech-savvy. It's because their time is worth elsewhere. A business owner spending 15 hours per week on video production is a business owner not closing sales, building partnerships, or working on their actual product. And when you actually do the math, the cost of outsourcing video production is almost always less than what those 15 hours are worth at their hourly rate. That's the real ROI conversation that nobody's having. Putting it all together. Let me give you a practical picture of what this looks like when it all works together. Say you're a business owner who wants to post one YouTube video per week to build authority in your niche. Week 1, old way. Monday, come up with an idea. Tuesday, struggle through writing a script. Wednesday, record multiple takes. Thursday and Friday, edit, caption, design thumbnail. Weekend, collapse. Week 1, AI-assisted way. Monday morning, brief ChatGPT with your topic and talking points. 30 minutes later, you have a solid script draft. You spend an hour shaping it. Monday afternoon, record in 1 or 2 takes. No teleprompter fumbling because the script is tight. Tuesday, upload to Descript. Remove filler words with 1 click. Run audio through Adobe Podcast Enhance. Auto caption in Submagic. Export. Tuesday afternoon, design thumbnail in Canva with AI suggestions. Generate 3 versions. Test. Wednesday, publish. Use Opus Clip to pull 3 short-form clips. Schedule across platforms. You just went from 5 days to 2 days for the same output at a higher quality. That's not an exaggeration. That's what this stack actually produces when it's set up correctly. And if you stack this across a year, you're looking at potentially hundreds of hours reclaimed. Hundreds of hours you can put back into growing your business, creating more content, or, I don't know, actually sleeping. Now, here's the thing I want to be real with you about. Learning all of these tools takes time. Setting them up takes time. Building the workflow takes time. And for a lot of people watching this, creators with full schedules, business owners with teams to run, that setup time is the exact barrier that keeps them stuck. If that's you, let me just say,
You don't have to do this alone. That's literally what we built Beep 10 Studio to solve. We handle the entire production process, from script to final edit, so you can stay focused on what you actually do best. Whether you need a full done-for-you production service, or just want your raw footage transformed into polished, publish-ready content, we've got a workflow that fits. The link is in the description. There's no pressure, but if you've been putting off starting your channel, or struggling to stay consistent, or spending way too many hours on production, we'd love to talk. A lot of our clients come to us feeling overwhelmed and leave with a system that runs almost on autopilot. That's what good production support does. It removes the friction so the content can actually flow. Alright, if you made it this far, I genuinely appreciate you. Let me leave you with 3 quick action steps before you close this tab and forget everything. Step 1. Pick just one tool from this video and try it on your next project. Seriously, just one. I'd start with Descript or Adobe Podcast Enhance. Low barrier, high payoff. Step 2. Drop a comment below. Tell me, what's the #1 thing that eats the most time in your video production process? Scripting? Editing? Thumbnails? I read every comment and I might build an entire video around your answer. Step 3. Subscribe, because we're dropping content like this every single week. AI tools, video strategy, content automation, this channel exists to help you produce better content in less time. And if you want to go deeper into any of these tools, I've already got videos on AI scripting, thumbnail strategy, and short-form repurposing right here on the channel. Check those out next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.